Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Apricot Health Balls. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. It's very easy to make. The kids are going to be delighted with these and they can even help you make them. Very quick, very simple, very tasty, and you can have them on hand. They're great for kids' parties and whatnot. They're also good energy balls if you're actually traveling or hiking or camping, and they're gluten-free. So the first thing that we've got is our Highlander induction hot plate. Got a few questions about that of late, and we are just going to turn it on and just turn it on to very low temperature. We have got 1 cup of apricots in there, to which we are adding just a good sprinkle of cinnamon because apricots and cinnamon love each other. We've also got some fresh orange juice, 1/2 cup of that, 4 tablespoons of honey, and I love this little cup because it pushes it out. Check that out. Pretty simple, huh? Alrighty. Now we're just going to mix that around, bring it to a gentle simmer, and cook it for about 10 minutes before we add our remaining ingredients, which are 1 cup of powdered full cream milk. We're going to roll the little balls when we make them into some desiccated coconut, and just while that's coming to a simmer, turn it up a tad, we're just going to roughly chop out almonds. You can put almonds, you can put walnuts, pecans, pistachios, whatever you like, but apricot and almond, you know where this is going. Alright, so we're just going to roughly chop those. You can do it in a food processor or something if you like, but it's not necessary because we're only going to do it pretty roughly. Just while our apricots are doing their thing. Put our almonds into a bowl because I need to put this in the fridge for a while to chill, and I don't want to put the whole saucepan in the fridge. It's getting quite caramelized now. We mix our powdered milk with our almonds, and our apricot mixture will be going in there as well. We put it aside to cool so you can manage it, roll it in balls and toss it in our coconut. Okay, our 10 minutes is up now. We just tip our apricots into our milk mixture with our almonds and mix it all together. We're just going to pop that into the fridge to cool. It's really quite syrupy now, and the apricots have absorbed all of that honey and orange juice, which is sort of evaporated. Just mix this all together. Pretty hot, don't put your hands in there. So it's not too sweet, it's not all full of gritty sugar. We've got natural honey, lots of calcium, protein. Just mix that right through until it's quite a gloopy paste. Okay, that's well and truly mixed in now. We're just going to pop it into the fridge to cool down a little bit. Take little balls of it and drop it into our desiccated coconut, and then they've kept in the fridge then. Doesn't look that great now, does it? You wait till you try. Okay, it's Frank's birthday today and we have made you some apricot balls. Frank, we appreciate your support over the years and the lovely recipes that you've given to us to share with our audience. I hope you enjoyed our little apricot balls, full of nuts and apricots, not too full of sugar, but not too sweet. The natural tartness of the apricots and the orange juice is a really nice balance. They're great to eat, really healthy and full of protein, fibre, calcium and natural sugars. And they'll keep for up to a week in the fridge in an airtight container. Every time you walk past, you can pop one in your mouth. Thanks for watching.